Welcome to Video Marketing Online. You are here because you're likely looking for competitive advantage to increase your sales and conversion rate. Having your video on your website will make your website come alive, and the process could not be easier. Thousands Ads Video Marketing Online design a process where we can make your video in 3 simple steps. First is writing a script, second, filming and editing, and third, publishing. Once you made your decision to make a video, you can send your script in to us, or you can contact us and we will help you to write a script for you. Second step is filming and editing. And when we have your material filmed, you will get your video in 2 to 5 days. And third step is publishing. We will publish your video using Thousands Ads video marketing channel. Our tools will distribute your video to other sites all over the internet. By using Thousands Ads video marketing channel, we consistently drive quality traffic to your videos. Your videos will have a realistic chance to show up on the first page of Google and get exposed to free traffic. Having your video on your website, it's as easy as copying and pasting line of script to your HTML. You can host your video or you can use Flash streaming service for that. Online video is the latest trend and hottest trend right now. We are here to make success for you. So I would like to invite you to leave your details below, and you will get an instant access to latest video marketing online videos. Also, you will be able to claim your free consultation on how to set up your video marketing strategy.